For decades, we were told it was all weather balloons and swamp gas. But 2025 changed everything. With new declassified sensor data and high-resolution civilian cameras, the evidence is becoming impossible to ignore. Today we are looking at the 5 most mysterious UFO sightings caught on camera in 2025 and early 2026. These aren't just lights in the sky. These are objects that defy every law of physics we know. Welcome to the UFO Archive. In July 2025, over a dozen residents in the Mojave Desert reported a massive, silent object hovering just 500 feet above the ground. Captured on a high-end thermal camera, this black triangle remained stationary for nearly 10 minutes before accelerating to hypersonic speeds instantly without a sonic boom. Experts say no known human aircraft can hover silently and then vanish at 5 times the speed of sound. Late in 2025, a pilot for a major airline captured this footage over the Atlantic Ocean. The object, appearing as a metallic sphere, travels at incredible speeds just above the waves. But watch closely. As it hits the water, there is no splash, no debris, and no slowing down. This is what the Pentagon calls trans-medium capability, the ability to move seamlessly between air and water. Urban sightings are rare, but in early 2026, downtown Chicago became a hotspot. Hundreds of witnesses filmed a shimmering, disc-shaped craft reflecting the morning sun. Unlike a drone, this object had no visible rotors or wings. When 2 F-22 Raptors were scrambled to intercept, the object simply blinked out of existence, leaving local radar operators baffled. Space is the final frontier, and it seems we aren't alone there either. In February 2026, the ISS live feed captured a formation of 6 glowing orbs following the station. They maintained a perfect geometric pattern for 3 minutes before ascending into deep space. NASA officially claimed it was space debris, but the way these objects moved in formation suggests intelligent control. Our #1 case is the most chilling. This footage, leaked from a Navy training mission in 2026, shows a cube within a sphere. This exact shape has been described by Navy pilots for years. In this video, the object circles a jet at high speeds, seemingly jammed the aircraft's radar. It shows no heat signature and no exhaust. If this isn't human technology, whose is it? We are living in the era of disclosure. The more we look up, the more we realize how little we know. Which of these sightings do you think is the most credible? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the UFO Archive for more declassified mysteries. The truth is out there. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? That tiny flicker of light, moving in a way that just doesn't seem right. Is it a satellite, a plane, or something else entirely? For centuries, humanity has been captivated by unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, a term now often replaced by UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. But this isn't just a modern obsession fueled by sci-fi movies. The story of strange things in the sky is as old as civilization itself. Ancient texts from cultures all around the world describe fiery chariots, shields in the sky, and celestial visitors. Think of the Roman author Livy, who documented phantom ships gleaming in the sky, or the Nuremberg celestial phenomenon of 1561, where witnesses reported a massive aerial battle between strange spheres and crosses. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the mystery explodes. The Foo Fighters, reported by Allied pilots during World War II, The famous Kenneth Arnold sighting in 1947 that coined the term flying saucer, and of course, the Roswell incident. These events catapulted UFOs from folklore into the public consciousness, sparking a wave of sightings and investigations that continues to this day. So what are we actually seeing? The scientific community has a few ideas. The most common explanation is misidentification. What seems otherworldly could be an advanced military drone, a weather balloon, an unusual atmospheric phenomenon like ball lightning, or even a flock of birds catching the light in a strange way. Our brains are wired to find patterns, and sometimes they fill in the blanks with extraordinary explanations for ordinary events. Then there's the psychological angle. The idea of visitors from other worlds taps into our deepest hopes and fears about our place in the universe. Carl Jung suggested that UFOs could be a modern myth, a projection of our collective unconscious desire for salvation and wholeness in a fragmented world. It's a fascinating thought that these sightings say more about us than they do about any potential visitors. But let's entertain the most exciting possibility, the one that really gets the imagination going: the extraterrestrial hypothesis. This theory proposes that some UAPs are indeed spacecraft from other planets, piloted by intelligent beings. Proponents point to flight characteristics that seem to defy our current understanding of physics: instantaneous acceleration, right-angle turns at incredible speeds, and silent, gravity-defying hovering. How could this be possible? This is where we get into mind-bending theoretical science. Concepts like warp drives, which bend space-time to travel faster than light, or wormholes, theoretical tunnels through the fabric of the universe, could explain interstellar travel. Perhaps these craft utilize some form of anti-gravity technology or manipulate electromagnetic fields in ways we can only dream of. The famous physicist Michio Kaku suggests that a civilization millions of years more advanced than ours might wield technologies that would appear magical to us, just as a smartphone would to a medieval knight. The implications are staggering. If we could confirm that we're being visited, it would rewrite everything we know about science, religion, and our own identity as a species. Access to such technology could solve our biggest problems: energy crises, disease, environmental damage. But it also raises profound questions. Why are they here? Are they observers, researchers, or something else? The zoo hypothesis suggests that they might be studying us from a distance, careful not to interfere with our development, much like we study animals in a nature preserve. This renewed interest isn't just about finding little green men. It's about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Every time we investigate a UAP, we learn more about our atmosphere, our sensor technology, and the limits of our own perception. Whether the ultimate answer is mundane or magnificent, the quest itself is a deeply human endeavor. It's a search for knowledge, a testament to our endless curiosity. So the next time you're stargazing, keep an open mind. The universe is vast, mysterious, and far stranger than we can possibly imagine. What we're seeing might just be a reflection of our own world, or it could be a glimpse into a reality that will change humanity forever. The truth is out there, and we're getting closer to it every single day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. See you next time.